Hi, my name is Shub. I'm studying at the University of Warwick and currently volunteering at Tech Tuesdays UK. So first of all, would you please like to introduce yourself?
Hi Shub, thank you for having me here. I'm Prashant. I'm a professor of MedTech Innovation and Entrepreneurship at King's College London, and by training I'm a doctor, an engineer and a product designer.
Great. So today's episode is probably the second time where you've joined the panel of Tech Tuesdays UK. What has been your experience today so far?
Yes, this is the second time I'm here, and what I like about it is that the structure is that there is no structure, so it's a free-flowing conversation. I think having very diverse group of people, both in the audience on the panel, with probably very different opinions and worldviews, complementing at times and conflicting for interest at times. So it has been through and through interesting.
Great. And just lastly, any kind of parting short message that you'd like to share before you sign off?
I think today we talked about AI in healthcare, and I believe no matter what anyone wishes, it's not going away. And it is a bit of a bubble at this moment. It will burst, it will get rebuilt, it will get burst. I believe we should look forward to a world where AI is as boring as a microwave and everyone uses it safely. And we have to be concerned and worried, and we have to ensure that it is regulated well, it is taught well, it graduates well, and it serves us well. That's all.
Great. Thank you so much.
Thank you for having me.